Are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel in Papua New Guinea? Before you dive in, there are 4 key questions you must ask yourself to set yourself up for success. My name is Cody, and in this video, I'll walk you through these important questions. Starting a YouTube channel in Papua New Guinea, PNG, can be exciting and rewarding. But before you begin, ask yourself these 4 personal questions to ensure you're prepared for the journey. 1. What is my purpose for starting this channel? 2. What resources do I have? 3. Who is my target audience? 4. Am I ready for consistency and commitment? These are the 4 must-ask questions before starting a YouTube channel in Papua New Guinea. Before we dive in, hit the subscribe and the notification button so you don't miss the next episode to this video. Let's get started. The first and most important question is, why am I starting this channel? Your purpose will guide your content and keep you motivated. Some common reasons you can start a YouTube channel in PNG include sharing culture, lifestyle, and traditions Papua New Guinea, teaching something valuable such as DIY, tutorials, language, etc., entertainment such as music or reaction videos, promoting a business or side hustle, and making money from YouTube monetization. Whatever your reason, make sure it's something you're passionate about. Passion will keep you going when things get tough. The key considerations to the question, what is my purpose for starting this channel, include 1. Are you looking to educate, entertain, or document life in PNG? 2. Do you want to make money, promote your business, or share your passion? 3. Understanding your why will help guide your content and keep you motivated. Understanding the purpose of creating a YouTube channel will help you in the long-term planning, developing, and growth of your YouTube channel. In the next video, we will show you the impact of understanding the purpose of why we created the Guinea Trends, a music channel we began actively producing and uploading music videos actively in September 2024. As of the production of this video, the channel has reached over 25,000 subscribers from over 50 different countries. Within a period of 4 months, we reached over 500,000 views and over 11,000 watch time hours, and it's still growing.
Dúró dálẹ́gbẹ́ mi, àwa máa ṣàṣẹ ọ. Ayé lè ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ iṣẹ́ yóò wá olúwaṣọ. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi máa ṣe bẹ̀rù dúró tì mí, ogun àtàn ní mọ́lẹ̀ yóò wá. Ọjọ́ kan ní gbogbo wa retí, ìrètí làwa fi ń bẹ ayé yìí. Ọjọ́ mi ń bọ̀ fẹ́rẹ̀ dé, Olúwa ń gbé wá débi. Ọjọ́ mi ń bọ̀, má ṣubú mọ́lẹ̀. Tìdé torí rírẹ̀ ń bọ̀, mẹ́gbọ́ orin jẹ́ kájọ fún yẹ. Ọmọ Áfíríkà, gbogbo wa máa débi rẹ̀. Ọjọ́ mi ń bọ̀, má ṣubú mọ́lẹ̀. Tìdé torí rẹ̀ ń bọ̀, mẹ́gbọ́ orin jẹ́ kájọ fún yẹ. Ọmọ Áfíríkà, gbogbo wa máa débi. My day is coming, don't give up. Rise up because blessings are near. Sing the song, let's dance for joy. African youth will all reach our goals. Moríṣẹ́ tí ń bọ̀ ọjọ́ rẹ wá. Èrè la orí ibi àṣẹ máa ṣàṣẹ ọ̀. Má ṣe sòpè ayé rẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́, ayé dúró dé gbogbo wa láti gbé. Ẹ̀yin màmá yín bàbá jẹ́ ká gbé wọn. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi jẹ́ ká gbé mi wọ́n sókè. Ọjọ́ rere wá fún gbogbo wa. Afẹ́fẹ́ yìí Olúwa rẹ̀ ṣe wá. I see you all coming, a day of joy. We'll reap rewards and celebrating joy. Don't say your life is ruined. Life is waiting for us to thrive. To my people, let's raise each other up. A good day is coming for us all.
After knowing and understanding the purpose of why you want to create a YouTube channel, the next 3 questions are also equally important. The second question is about your resources. Unlike other places, Papua New Guinea has its own challenges, so you need to be prepared. Ask yourself, do I have a decent camera or smartphone to record quality videos? Do I have access to stable internet for uploading? Data can be expensive, so plan wisely. Do I have a computer or phone for editing videos? If not, free apps like CapCut or InShot can help. What about electricity? If you live in an area with power outages, how will you manage? Don't let limited resources stop you. Many successful YouTubers started with just a smartphone. Use what you have and upgrade as you grow. The key considerations to address question 2. What resources do I have include 1. Do I have a good camera or smartphone to film? 2. Do I have access to reliable internet for uploading videos? 3. Can I afford video editing software, or will I use free tools? PNG has unique challenges, like internet costs and electricity issues. Be realistic about what you can manage. These next 2 YouTube channels are examples of faceless YouTube channels where limited resources are not physically available. However, we are able to make good use of all available online and digital resources. The recent advancement in AI technology is now making content production becomes much easier than before. Keep yourself updated or search online to find the right resources, tools, and programs to help you create content for your YouTube channel. Here we present the Beats and Burn YouTube channel, a health and fitness, music, and instructional YouTube channel. With the online resources and tools, we now have over 5,000 subscribers and working towards 1,000 watch hours in just 2 months.
I've been waiting by the window, watching every road, hoping one day I would see you coming back home.
I remember when you left with dreams so wild and free, but my heart still aches 'cause you're not here with me. Every night I kneel and pray, Lord, bring him near. Through the silence and the pain, I hold you dear. No matter where you've been or how far you've come, my love is still the same, my arms are strong. Come back home, my child, don't you see? There's a place at the table, you're still part of me. No mistake is too great.
The final 2 questions, who my target audience is, and am I ready for consistency and commitment, are both important to each other. YouTube will provide you, as a content creator, a studio within your account where you will have access to analytics and daily updates about your target audience. And for your subscribers, will you be consistent and make the commitment to continue producing more for your subscribers? Critical consideration must be made taking into account the following. For your target audience, am I creating content for Papua New Guineans, the Pacific region, or global audience? What topics or interests will my viewers have? Do I plan to speak in English, talk Pisan, or another language? And will you be consistent and committed including? How often can I realistically create and upload videos? Am I ready to deal with slow growth, negative feedback, or lack of views at the start? Will I stay motivated even if success takes time? So, we've covered the 4 must-ask questions before starting your YouTube channel in Papua New Guinea. Let's quickly recap. Know your purpose. What's your reason for starting? Passion keeps you going. Check your resources. Use what you have, whether it's a phone or free editing apps. Identify your target audience. Who are you making content for? PNG locals, Pacific Islanders, or a global audience? Be ready for consistency. Growth takes time, but if you stay consistent, success will follow. Now it's time to take action. Start your channel, create your first video, and keep improving. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what type of YouTube channel you're planning to start. By understanding these 4 questions we have gone through in this video, you should now be able to plan well, start content creation, and grow your channel. We are ready to support you on this journey. Thank you for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and share to help others find it. Subscribe to this channel for more YouTube tips and PNG content. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.